So I've got boxes here and boxes back here. We're going to be doing our bi-weekly PR haul so you guys can see the products that have recently came out, and then that way you guys can let me know what you guys want me to test out. So the first one is actually from Beautylish, which when I got their email, I was like, what? They sent over some skincare products from a brand called Good Molecules. And they sent over a cleansing balm, which I'm totally down for. I'm actually almost done with my cleansing oil. Niacinamide serum, exfoliating treatment. You've got the facial oil and a brightening toner. So thank you so much to Beautylish and Good Molecules for sending that over. I'm interested to try it out. So the next one we have is by Dear Dahlia, and this is their latest launches. Ooh, look at that bright red. So inside of here are just some lipsticks. Let's open them up really quick. Look at that beautiful packaging. All right, so this one here is in the shade Adele, which looks like that. I really, really like this packaging, by the way. Look at that. So that there is Stella, and that's what it looks like right here, this hot, hot pink. And then they also sent over some lip oils. So let's try out this lip oil really quick. Look at that baby pink. This is their Stardust Lip Treatment. I'm planning on using this already. You can barely see it, but it's right here. It's just got a nice, really pretty gloss to it. Let me put it on top of one of the lipsticks. There we go. Look at that. Thank you so much to Dear Dahlia. I freaking love this. I want to hang this on my Christmas tree. Whatever tape NARS uses to package their stuff is like industrial. This is crazy stuff. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, they sent over like a book with it. So they sent over pictures. So it's this. Oh, she's really pretty. That's really cool. Look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at that. This is a little bit extreme for a fragrance. So there is the fragrance right there. I actually really like this. This is kind of cool. It's got top notes of white frangipani. I don't know how you say that. Smoke of incense harmonized with tiare flower and sandalwood. I love sandalwood. This is available September 1st at NARS Boutiques and NARS Cosmetics. This retails for $180. This is the most expensive fragrance I own. I actually really like that. It's really, really nice. It's very fresh. It's not sweet. It's like more manly. Think sandalwood from Bath & Body Works, like mahogany teak wood, but it's not as strong. So thank you to NARS. This is the most expensive fragrance I own. Juno & Co. sent over a, what is this? Their microfiber velvet sponge. I know it's like only $6. This feels very strange. But I'm interested to see what it's like. I definitely want to try it out. I'm very, very late to this game. I love this. Look at this. I love that. All right, so they sent over this box right here. Once you open it, it is their Moonshine. This packaging slightly reminds me of Terry Mugler. Is that how you say it? Her Angel perfume. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? My mom and I used to wear that all the time. This is really luxe. Whoa, look at that, folks. Oh, it smells like something my grandmother would wear. The Miracle Cream is made to hydrate and prime skin to perfection. You can wear under makeup to create the perfect canvas or wear alone to moisturize for a naturally glowy, dewy skin. I really like this like packaging. I think this is kind of cool. So I'm going to put this over here because I think I'm going to try to use this when I do a first impression. I kind of want to try it as like a primer and see if that works. You guys are going to laugh at me because I can't figure out how to say this. How do you pronounce this?
Caudalie.
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 That's how you say it? Caudalie. I picked this up through Octoly. Ooh, it smells really good. It smells like a liquor that I would drink. Next box we have is from Dragun Beauty. Oh, you guys probably already know what it is. I know what it is, but I'm excited to see it. Well, I really, really wanted to do like a first impression on this. This is the Dragun Beauty category is Face Dragun Beauty Contour Palette, you guys. This is going to be launching on October 7th, so here in the next couple of days. So I'm going to go ahead and play with this tomorrow, so it will be up this week. It does launch on October 7th, like I mentioned earlier, and it will be up before then. So huge thank you to Dragun Beauty for sending this to me. I'm super excited about this. So I have a package from Alter Ego. They sent over their Sahara palette. my last first impressions we did was on the Daydream palette. You guys saw me play with that. That one there is supposed to be a dupe for the Huda Beauty one. And then the other one they have, which I really do like, I believe it's called the Goddess palette, which is the green one. And that one's supposed to be a dupe for the Natasha Denona palette. I believe this is supposed to be a dupe for the Natasha Denona palette also. I've seen other people play with this already and do like a comparison. I don't own any Natasha Denona palettes, so it kind of sucks that I can't do a comparison for you guys. Is this not like juiciness right there? Oh my gosh, this is like the perfect fall palette. So yes, I will play around with this. I will do a video using this. I will add this to my list of videos to play with. Transit to me, yeah, this has been in transit for a while. I still have a lot of boxes that go to my old address and then get sent back. Like every once in a while, I might get a box from Too Faced or Tarte, but usually they get sent back. So it sucks because it's been over a year and I still get stuff sent to my old addresses. Oh, it's by Kaja Beauty. Oh, I have to get that updated. Holy crap. Kaja Beauty sent over As Cute As It Is Good. And I want to say that these are their blushes. We'd love to gift you 3 new extensions of our Cheeky Stamp blushes, which will be available at Sephora on August 27th. So sorry, this is so late, Kaja. So these are the 3 shades that they sent over. This one here is called Spicy, which looks like this. Then this one here is Sassy. And then the last one is this really cute baby pink one, which is called Flirty. I'm going to open up this one because I want to try it out because I feel like this is a color I would definitely try out. So you'd stamp it onto your cheek like this and then just use your finger to kind of blend it out. I will try this one out. And then I think the other 2 I'm going to put in a giveaway for you guys. The last thing I have is by Fierce Aid Beauty. This is to promote their birthday. They just recently had a birthday. So they sent over a bunch of their birthday stuff. This is all messed up, but it's like their facial radiance pads, the Ultra Repair Cream, and then they sent over their facial cleanser, which is really good. My husband swears by it. And I just used this the other day. It's the Coconut Skin Smoothing Primer, and then a goodie bag. Look how cute that goodie bag is. That is everything for my PR haul. Thank you guys so much for watching. I do have my So Jaded palette coming in shortly. I'm waiting for it. I'm planning to do videos using the Dragun Beauty. I definitely want to do like a face palette, like first impressions for you guys, and the Sahara palette. So aside from those 2 things, if you guys want me to try out anything else, let me know down below. Otherwise, I'm going to plan to use this in a first impressions video. If you guys are new to my channel, I appreciate you guys stopping by. My name is Steph, and so obvious, my name's Steph. But I will see you guys all in my next video. I upload on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Sundays, always at 6 p.m. Love you guys, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye.